welcomes you all. Kinematics of Machinery, Unit 1, Basics of Mechanism, presented by M. Melvin J. Sridhar, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering. What is engineering mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the behavior of objects at rest or in motion. Under the influence of forces, engineering mechanics involves the applications of the principles of mechanics to solve real time applications. Engineering mechanics we can divide in two categories. One is mechanics of solid and mechanics of fluid. In the type of mechanics of solids, we can divide two categories: rigid bodies, deformable bodies. In rigid bodies, we go by statics and dynamics. In dynamics, we can divide kinematics and kinetics. Deformable bodies are we go by strength of materials, theory of elasticity, theory of plasticity. Mechanics of fluids, we can go ideal, viscous, incompressible, fluid. Kinematics, invented by Nicholas and Machine. Machine is oriented with the Greek philosopher Archimedes around the 3rd century. Kinematic link or element. Each part of a machine which moves relative to some other part is known as kinematic link. For example, piston and connecting rod. Types of link: 1. Rigid link, 2. Flexible link. What is meant by rigid link? A rigid link is one which does not undergo any deformation while the transmitting motion. Example, piston or connecting rod. Flexible link. Flexible link is one which is partly deformed in a manner not to affect the transmission of motion. For example, belts, ropes, chains, wire, and flexible links and transmit tensile forces only. Fluid link. A fluid link is one which is formed by having a fluid in a receptacle and the motion is transmitted through the fluid by pressure or compression only, as in the case of hydraulic presses, jacks, and rigs. What is meant by structure? It is an assemblage of number of resistant bodies known as member. A railway bridge, a roof truss, machine frames is called a structure. What is the difference between the machine and structure? The parts of a machine move relative to another, whereas the members of a structure do not move relative to one another. A machine transforms the available energy into some useful work, whereas in a structure no energy is transformed into useful work. Kinematic pair. The two links or elements of a machine when is connect with each other. It is called kinematic pair. For example, connecting rod and piston, crank and connecting rod. Types of constrained motion. Completely constrained motion. When the motion between the pair is limited to a definite direction irrespective of direction of forces applied, then the motion is said to be a completely constrained motion. The square hole, the square bar is the example for the completely constrained motion. What is incompletely constrained motion? When the motion between the pair can take place in more than one direction. You see here the shaft and circular hole, it transmits the direction more than one direction, forward and reverse. Successfully constrained motion. When the motion between the elements forming a pair is such that the constrained motion is not completed by itself but by some other means. Classification of kinematic pairs according to the type of relative motion between the elements. Sliding pair. One can slide relative to other. The piston and cylinder. Example. B. Turning pair. One can turn only or revolve about the fixed axis of another link. A shaft with collars. Rolling pair. Ball and roller bearings are a good example for rolling pair. Screw pair. bolt with a nut is the best example for a screw pair. In a screw pair, one element can turn about the other by screw threads. Spherical pair. One element with a spherical shape turns the swivel about the fixed. Attachment of a car mirror. According to the type of contact between the elements, lower pair and higher pair. Lower pair, the sliding purse, turning purse and screw pair is called as a lower pair. Higher pair, tooth gearing, belt and rope drives, ball and roller bearing and cam and follower. It is called a higher pair. A rover pair, when the two elements of a pair have a surface contact, when the relative motion takes place and the surface of the element slides over the surface of other. Higher pair, when the two elements of a pair have a line or point contact when relative motion take place. According to the type of closure, self-closed pair, force-closed pair. All the lower pairs is called self-closed pair. Cam and follower type is called force-closed pair. Thank you.